Nag-iisip ka na bang mag-work from home tapos gusto mo sanang pag-aralan yung sinasabi nila ngayon sa social media na Claude para daw makaland ka kagad ng first client mo? Watch this video. Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Most beginner virtual assistants are still doing it the hard way. Tapos hindi nila naiisip meron naman palang faster way to do things. They spend hours writing caption, yung pagre-reply sa client, making contents from scratch. Tapos yung iba nagsasabi bakit ang bagal-bagal kong matuto. Ang mas masakla pa is yung nagsasabi na hindi ako nahahay. Top VAs right now are not just working harder. They're using AI like Claude to do the heavy lifting for them, writing client emails in seconds, creating social media contents fast, turning messy ideas into professional output that is easier to understand for the client, and overall, just organizing their life. Same skill level, same beginner, different output speed. At alam na alam naman natin sa virtual assistant, sa freelancing, speed plus clarity means more clients. Ito yung dahilan kaya most VAs, they look so advanced. Kahit nakakasimula pa lang naman nila, they are not better, they're just more efficient. And alam mo ba, kapag pumunta ka sa anthropic.skilljar.com, you can learn everything about Claude absolutely for free. From beginner to advanced classes, nandiyan, kompleto yan, libre. If you are a beginner, don't just learn the skills. Learn how to use tools that will make you more efficient, more productive. And per usual, ang sabi ko nga lagi, ang AI ay nakadepende lang sa kung gaano katalino ang gumagamit. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!